ship was the Billy of Tea. The winds blew harder, pounded down. Blow me, bully boys, blow. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Now she'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that